XRP. I'm going to show you how you can purchase XRP using Uphold. Yes, I know XRP has been suspended or not on some exchanges, but on Uphold, you can do it right now. And right below this video, you can start your free account using Uphold, purchase XRP, which this video is going to be all about. My name is Shelton, and welcome to this video today. And yes, we can go ahead and do it. XRP, we're going to purchase it today. And I'm going to show you where you can find your wallet address. So that way you can transfer this, or you can actually use this address to put it somewhere else. Just want to show you exactly where that's going to be located. If you like more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more edutainment information and video content to help you today. So let's go ahead and dive into the content. So I'm logged into Uphold, and you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and log off from now, and I want to show you right from the beginning. So if you don't have an Uphold account, now I have an Uphold account, and so it's going to basically ask for my email address and my password. Now, if I don't have an account, you can click on here to sign up now, fill out basic information about yourself. So let's go ahead and dive in and log in from the beginning. So I logged in right now, and it's going to show you my total balance that I currently have. This is more of a training account as well that I use for like training purposes in terms of Uphold. Now, if I want to purchase XRP, it's going to be right over here to the Euro actually market. You click on market, and it's going to show all the market available, assets that you can actually purchase. It shows cryptocurrencies. It also shows equities and other things, of utility tokens and more. But we're going to focus just on XRP today and go ahead and select that. So you want to go to the markets, and look for XRP. Click on XRP, and then you hit this. Is what you'll see. This is the price of XRP right now. It's been as high as this price, and it's been low as this price. Now, the quick and easy way to doing this and purchasing it is just going over to anything to anything. Very, very simple. So the first thing I want to go ahead and do, I just want to show you what this market is. Basically, just want to show you where all this is at, the market. The second thing is I want to go ahead and purchase it. So the first thing I want to do is I want to use my banking or credit card, debit card. I can click on my checking account right here, or I can add a credit or debit card just clicking right there. So I'm just going to add my bank account. It gives me information about here in terms of what the next process is. Then I'm going to say use my bank account. And then the next thing I want to do is find XRP. So here, I already have XRP already in my current wallet already. So I can choose that. Or if I didn't have XRP, I can look under cryptocurrencies and find it right there as well. So that just click on there, boom, that's it. Then, okay, so I want to put how many XRP do I want? So I'm going to use $100, just make an example. And that's how much XRP that I will be able to receive of $100. Very simple. And it shows you basically what XRP is worth. Just one of them is worth 0.46 cents. Then you can learn more about our pricing. You can click here to learn more about the pricing as well as well. The next thing you can do, there's two things you can do. You can do it repeat buying, so you can do this every day, every week. So you can actually set up an automation payment situation by doing repeat. Or if you just want to do a one-time buy, click on preview deposit, and it's basically going to show you exactly what's going to happen next. This is my bank account collecting XRP account 3 because it's basically adding another XRP account already. And then it's also telling me what the next status is in terms of the process with my withdrawal, my bank, and with the business days, and etc. And I can leave notes in here, and I can confirm this as well. 215 XRP worth $100 in terms of that. And that's all you do. Now, if you want to check your XRP in terms of more information of it, once you purchase your XRP, it'll be moved over to your balance column. Now, you can do all this using your mobile device. You can download the Uphold app with your Play Store with an Android phone, or the Apple Store with an Apple phone. Now, it's the same process. Now, when you do this, you want to click on here to get your crypto wallet address. So this is very, very important, so you can go ahead and send and receive XRP. Now, if I click there, it's going to show me my entire address. This is my XRP address, and this is the destination tag. This does work though, because I remember receiving XRP, I would want to receive XRP to Uphold. So I move it to my Ledger Nano X to Uphold. And I'll do another video of basically how to do that in terms of moving your XRP from your Nano Ledger Nano X to the Uphold, because the only thing they're going to ask is this address right here. You can copy this address and then make sure you have the destination tag. So this is it. So this is what you would need in terms of your XRP wallet address. So, and what I like about it is you can also click on this down arrow button, and you also can find out more information in terms of the address. So if I'm looking at Ethernet, just make an example. This is more of an XRP, video. I can do the same to my Ethernet as well. So let me click on there. So I got my XRP over here as well. I can edit the name. So if I want to XRP name, I can say XRP main account. So you actually can rename that by editing the account name and click there. When I click done, it's going to say XRP main account. So I really like that. That's how you can kind of like filter out your information and that kind of thing. And the next one is interledger payment pointer. Now this is something that you're going to be using if you're using an interledger payment inside your wallet. So if I would use your QR code. It's much easier when you go ahead and do this. So I would more use your QR code versus the actual payment pointer. So, but the main areas you're really going to be using is going to be your crypto wallet address. That's probably the most easiest and most efficient way of having your address here. You can save this, you can actually send this somewhere, and that's the best way of going ahead and doing it with your XRP address. Now, one thing you also can do is once you purchase your XRP, you can sell this back into your bank account. Now, Uphold may have, basically a set amount of what you can actually sell per day. So they may have a $10,000 limit. I suggest do smaller amounts if it's $10,000 or more, or contact Uphold for more information. Maybe you can contact Uphold and maybe they'll be able to kind of work with you in that situation if you have a lot of XRP you're trying to switch or trade. So the best thing you want to go ahead and do is collect your XRP. So I want to sell my XRP, and you want to put how much XRP you're trying to sell. So out of this XRP account, we only have 0.09. Now I'm going to sell that. You do everything to anything, which is very, very simple. Is that I'm selling this and I'm looking for my bank account. So my bank account or credit or debit card, I will use a bank account, so it's a little bit more easier. If it's possible, you can use that. And it's going to tell me what's worth. So it's worth 4 cents, it looks like. And it's telling me it's worth 4 cents. So 4 cents will be deposited into that bank account after I go ahead and approve this transaction. So if I click on preview withdrawal, I would go ahead and go to the preview withdrawal and then type in my 6-digit code number within that transaction. And you get this authentication app when you download the Google authentication app. You can do that from the Google Play Store. I highly recommend do that because it's a safety measure, and you'll learn all about this when you go to your security measures when you set up your account. So I highly suggest you do that, because that's how Uphold will know that you are a real person, and that's how you keep your account safe, and that's how that you are getting the best security as possible by having that Google authentication app and the numbers plugged in. So all I have to do is go to my phone, get the number from the app, and you should be good to go. Just click here if you need any questions about having any problems with setting up the code. Click on the get help there, and then I can confirm the withdrawal. So that's all about purchasing XRP, where to find your actually crypto wallet address, and how to sell your XRP back into your account as well. So this is the buy, sell, and hold XRP right from Uphold. Uphold is a simple exchange you can use to buy, sell, and hold your XRP. All right, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more edutainment information that's going to help your bank account, help your mindset, and just help your day. Just help your day, period. So I can't wait to do another video. Oh, yes. We're going to be doing a lot more videos to help you out with investing and growing your business. So I can't wait. Have a good day. And don't forget to click on the link below to start out your free Uphold account, or you can start your free Gemini account as well. I'll see you guys on the next video.